Welcome again to What's Going On Kev. Today's video is another vacation video on my last trip to Jamaica, and we went to the Treasure Beach in St Elizabeth, and it was amazing. We explored the cliffs, the coral cliffs, and we really had a good time. So sit back and enjoy. Guys, I'm going on to Treasure Beach right now. Just walking down this little track that takes you down to Treasure Beach. Let me show you what's going on. My wife is already out there. It's really nice out here, guys. Beautiful. Very nice. I need to put the microphone on so that you get less wind noise. We were just told that if we go to the edge of the cliff, we'll see a nice, a really nice view. So let's go. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on. All right. I'm gonna give you, tell you what I'm looking at. Just saw a green lizard, guys. He went underneath this rock. Just saw a nice green lizard.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Wow. Man.
Oh, there's a brain coral. There's a brain coral right there.
What, you see a brain coral?
Yeah, right there.
What?
Shaped like a brain.
Man.
I think this was covered with water.
At some point.
Yeah.
Look,
What? Yeah, this was covered with water.
that's a coral, guys. This was all underwater at one point. Wow, guys, look at that. Wow. This is nice. So we're just exploring the cliffs of Treasure Beach. Wow. This is nice, man. I just somehow I feel like I've been here before. Yeah, I'm having that feeling. Like I've been to this area before. But I just don't know. But this looks very familiar. Who else gonna show you all these nice areas? Huh? This is so nice. Wow. This is really nice, guys. You get to see along the edge of the island. Man, we're coming from all the way out there. All the way out that side. That's where we were coming from. Man,
Oh, I'm so sorry I touched it. It fell off. Alright, okay, man.
wow. Hopefully you're enjoying this really nice exploration with us. We've never been here before. I've never seen this place before, but I feel as though I've
Crab. A hermit crab.
You see a hermit crab?
right here. I see a lot of snails.
Wow. My wife is in her element right now. You know, she's all into science and those type of things. Wow. Look at that plate of like a pool. Like if people could go in there and swim inside these little pools. Man, who knew we'd be here today and see all this?
I would be here today because I told you I'm coming up with.
Man, you know what? I'm gonna fly my drone from up here. Guys, I can't just be here and don't fly the drone. I'm gonna put the drone down somewhere out here. But I have to find a nice flat surface where I could launch it and bring it back. You know? I think right here is good. I'm gonna fly my drone right here, guys. Okay. Catch you on the next scene. So now the drone is right above us, and you get a nice view of all that coral reef. A lot of the coral has been destroyed. It's sad, but you know, it's what we call beach erosion. The drone is coming down, and this is a beautiful shot. Yep. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that drone flight. Hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun for me. Wow. I tell you, this place was very therapeutic. I mean, you could just feel the stress rolling off your back. Very nice. Man, one spectacular scene after another. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. The most beautiful island on the planet. What's trying to mess with me? It's very beautiful, guys. As you can see, that's Jamaica. Land of wood and water. The land of wood and water. I gave my wife my shoes because she had flip-flops on, so she would not be able to make it up this far with flip-flops. Thank God I had those shoes. Yeah. See, oh, see, somebody.
Build anything on the sand. The house is up.
Yeah, but you see the steps?
Walk down,
they got a step coming down that comes down to the beach. This is a beachfront property, guys. Beachfront means lots of money. But it's beautiful. You know, wake up in the morning and this is what you got. Yeah. You wake up and this is what you got. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Very dangerous. If you fall here, you're walking away with a scar, period. Look at all the erosion that's happening here. Just take your sweet time and make sure you look. Alright guys, enough of the wind noise because I don't have my microphone again. So you're getting wind noise. So I'm gonna stop the video here and continue at another point, okay? Alright. Okay guys, we are leaving. Yeah. Walking out now. It's a nice little cool path and we're exiting. Hopefully the car is not ticketed because it wasn't an official parking space that we parked in. I don't even see a big parking space for people to park if they come here. We just park along the side of the road. Yeah. This is it, the car right here. Yeah. Is that a rasta spot? For us, the Lion is in you, sold here. Parking behind here. Oh, it's a little resort back there.
Oh, it's not a restaurant?
No. Come carry and be careful the car's swinging around. Always take the shortest path across. This is really a nice spot, guys. A nice hideaway. It's a nice hideaway, man. People, it's where the retirees, they're living out their best life here. I mean, come on. We have to work while we're young, and then when we get old,
all right,
they just...
I'll wait till you reverse.
All right, now I'm getting in the car. I'm gonna tune out. All right.